Captain's log, stardate 21052020. Good morning, boys and girls. Today it's all about making gears. In this project you will make gear wheels and see how they turn one another. A force can turn a wheel around a hinge or a pivot. Gears are wheels with teeth around the edges that fit together. They transmit power from one part of a bicycle or machine or even my watch to another part. So in a bicycle, they take the power from the pedals to the back of the wheel. Gears rotate on an axle at their center. Gear wheels are always used with other gear wheels. When the teeth of gear wheels interlock, the wheels can turn one another. When we use gear wheels to transfer movement from one axle to another. So when you turn one axle, the other axle turns too. Gears actually act like levers. They make work easier to do. Levers are simple machines or mechanisms. For instance, when you pedal a boat or pushing your wheelbarrow or cycling your bike. It is helping when you're cycling or driving up a hill. What do you think? Would you select a larger or a smaller gear wheel to cycle up a hill? Now let's investigate. Now before you start your design, year 4 to 6, write down a list and investigate which machines are using gear wheels. Now we will design and create gear wheels and see how they turn one another. What you need: you can connect as many gears as you want and only need to power one gear to turn another gear. If the first gear turns clockwise, the second gear turns anti-clockwise and the third gear turns clockwise again. That's correct. To cycle up a hill, you select a larger gear wheel. One day you might cycle with Richie Port and win the Tour de France. Or maybe the Tour de Tasmania. Start small and dream big. Upload as many gear wheels up to Seesaw. From prep to year 3, try to make 2 gear wheels of the same size and interlock them with each other. Year 4 to year 6, experiment with different sizes and try to interlock as many gear wheels as you can. Before you start, take a look at your bicycle and investigate how your gears are working. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel Interstellar at vimeo.com. Thanks everyone!